Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to get the Razer Gold coupon code, then this video is for you. First, you have to simply log into your Razer code, this Razer Gold app website, so where you can find some discounts here. Now, you have to simply go to the gold.razer.com slash your country code, then en/silver/promotion. Or you can find the promotion section directly from here. You can find the promotion section here. Now go to the promotion section and you can find the Razer Gold shop here. You can find the Gold shop and Razer's the Silver rewards, where you can find some promotions if it's available. So make sure that your country supports this Razer Gold promotion, or Razer have just launched a promotion on your region if available. So now there is some third-party website or platform that will actually provide you some extra coupon code that is cool and working. So you can find it is most updated coupon code here. The first one is coupon follow, where you can find the details of the discounts, and here you can find the last users time. Now you have to simply click on show code, and you can find the code revealed here. Now simply click on copy button here to copy this code, and this redeem to Razer will redirect you to the Razer store, where you can find this Razer store here. Now the second one is promo code.ninja, where you can find more coupon codes here that is verified, or how much people has used here, and the discount type. It is actually the coupon code, and here is the details that you will get for this coupon code. Now simply click on show code, and it will also reveal the code here, the same code here also. Now simply click on copy, and you can paste it on the Razer website. Now the third one is coupons.com. You can also find some deals here that actually the promotional link or the affiliate link actually embedded with this button here. So you can simply click on get deal. So here you can see no code needed. You have to simply click on go to store, and here you can see Razer education purchase program here. So you can purchase here with some discount. Here you can see all the discount details that actually you can find this link from this website, that it is just redirect you to the discount page directly through the promotional code, promotional link URL that are embedded with this button here. Now you can find the details about this code here. So you have to do something like you have to try one by one code from these three websites. Sometimes some code might be expired, or it has reached its usage limit. So you have to try one by one, and you can check which one works for you. And here is the tips for you. Use this code as soon as possible. Probably the beginning of every month that code are listed on this website are work the best. So this is the end time of the month, so it can be sometimes a matter of hassle, but you can find it workful on the beginning of every month. So that's how you can just simply do it, and you can be updated with this Razer community when the promotion has just released by the Razer. Then you can find the code from here. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.